friends, and welcome to Big T's 3 Minute Market Minder. I know I've been talking about the war on cash a lot, but there's a reason why. It's starting to accelerate. The blueprint that I wrote about in April is starting to happen at a rapid pace. And if you have not read that report yet, it is free for any member of the Palm Beach Letter. Please go and read it. I lay out exactly how this process of going to a cashless society is going to play out. One of the things I talk about is how Europe will lead the way into removing cash. And we just saw this news story come out on the Financial Times. The Central Bank of Sweden is now looking at going to a completely cashless society. They are, in fact, the world's oldest central bank since 1660. Now, what's interesting here is when they asked the banker, well, will this e-cash have the same level of anonymity as regular cash? Of course, they said no. She added that the state had no interest in helping illegal activity, suggesting some form of traceability. Now, just because you want to have an anonymous transaction doesn't mean that you're doing something illegal. Do you really want the government peering in on every single purchase you make? I certainly don't. But friends, this is the direction the whole world is going in. Sweden expects to have this digital cash in place within 2 years. But it's not just Sweden. The UK, Russia, and China are all looking to launch their own form of digital fiat money. And the reason why they want to do this, it's another level of control. They see currencies like Bitcoin as a direct assault against their control over money. Once they move to a cashless society, not only can they view every single thing that you buy, but they also have the ability to tax every single transaction that takes place. Everything from selling some junk in a yard sale to selling some collectibles that you might trade with other collectors. Make no mistake, this is a grab for your capital, and this is a grab for your currency. But fortunately, there is a way out. I have been talking about Bitcoin since it was $450 a Bitcoin. I've been pounding the table to buy it since April. It is still a buy right here up at 748. You can see this is the chart on Bitcoin. There's an old rule in technical analysis. The wider the base, the bigger the breakout. And you can see this base has been in place for 6 months. Once Bitcoin closes above this high level here, which is about 790, and breaks out to a new high, the chart says that Bitcoin will more than likely double in value. And the reason why is not, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure it out. The world wants its privacy back. The world does not want to give up all of its money into the hands of central bankers that can tax it and take it at will. That's why these alternative investments like Bitcoin, I believe, deserve a place in everybody's portfolio. View it as a chaos hedge. I'm not suggesting you put your whole net worth into it. That wouldn't be smart. But everybody should own at least a little bit as a hedge against this grab that I am seeing from the world's central banks. The grab they're trying to make at your privacy and your money. All right, friends, that is enough out of me. I will catch up with you in the next video. And I want you to always remember, let the game come to you.